Lodgify from sign up to synced in 90 seconds. Are you using Lodgify to manage your rentals? Well, let's connect it with lake.com and put your properties in front of travelers who are searching for their next dream stay by the water. Lodgify, as you know, is the all-in-one vacation rental platform that's trusted by 4,000 companies worldwide. Founded in 2012 and headquartered in Barcelona, Lodgify has raised over $37 million in funding and generated $75 million of revenue last year, growing nearly 250% year over year. So clearly they're a leader in the space. And now, by using a free connector to integrate Lodgify in lake.com, for you what this means is that you get to manage everything from Lodgify just like you always have. Rentals, calendars, reservations, and your inbox, staying in the system that you know and love. By distributing your properties on lake.com, you'll be reaching families of all ages and stages who are planning their next adventure at one of over 10,000 destinations that we feature on our platform. Now, wouldn't you love to have your property showcased on one of those many destinations? With this connection, you're going to be staying synced with real-time updates, eliminate manual work of copy and pasting between two systems, and avoiding double bookings, while boosting visibility for lake houses, cabins, cottages, or coastal homes on the platform that's built for stays near the water. Sound good so far? Well, let's get into how to connect Lodgify with lake.com. Step 1, log into lake.com and create a free host account if you don't have one already. You can sign up with your email and create a password, or you can connect with your Google account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're switched into the host view by hovering over that Me menu in the top right-hand corner, making sure that host is toggled on. Step 3, in that same Me menu, you're going to see a link for connections, so go ahead and click that, and then scroll down until you see Lodgify and click Connect. A window is going to pop up with some extra information. Here's where you need to enter your Lodgify API key. Now, you probably don't have that on hand, so I'm going to tell you how to find it. In a new tab in your browser, log into Lodgify. You're going to go to Settings and then API key. Generate a new API key if needed, and then copy the key and paste it back into lake.com. That's it. Just click Connect and approve the integration. You're going to see a confirmation on screen, so you'll know that it is indeed connected. Your Lodgify listings begin syncing automatically, so there's nothing further you need to do. But that first sync might take a few minutes, especially if you have maybe 10, 20, 100 properties. That could actually take up to an hour. So if you have hundreds of rentals, just be patient as the information all gets synced up together. After that, static details like the property title, the description, the amenities, maybe the photos, those are going to refresh every 6 hours. And we call it static content because it doesn't really change nearly as much. Dynamic data, on the other hand, like calendar availability and pricing, that's going to be updated every 5 minutes. So you'll always be up to date. This is especially helpful to know if you use those dynamic pricing tools like Beyond or Wheelhouse or Price Labs, which make adjustments automatically for you for seasonality or maybe gaps in the calendar availability, or almost like surge pricing if there's a special event and there's lots of demand that comes into your area. They make those pricing changes automatically. So with lake.com connected to Lodgify, and if you use those third-party pricing tools or Lodgify's native dynamic pricing tool, we also sync those prices up on lake.com every 5 minutes. So don't worry, you're always going to be up to date. Now, the last step here is to verify the listings on lake.com just by doing a quick spot check of the titles, the descriptions, the photo, and the calendar ability, checking that against the master calendar that you have on Lodgify. And if everything looks good, that's it, you're done. With Lodgify and Lake, you're going to be staying synced, expand your reach, and connect to high-intent travelers looking to take their family on their next outdoor adventure. Connect once and let lake.com handle the rest.